What if your home, your office, or even your factory could store clean energy just like your phone stores charge? That future is already here. As the world shifts towards renewable energy, one challenge keeps coming back. What happens when the sun isn't shining or the wind isn't blowing? That's where battery energy storage systems or BESS come in. Globally, this market is set to grow from $7.8 billion in 2024 to over $25 billion by 2029. And India, aiming for 500 gigawatts of non-fossil fuel capacity by 2030, is stepping on the accelerator. The country's BESS market alone could hit $32 billion by the end of the decade. Power outages, rising electricity costs, intermittent solar. These aren't just technical challenges. They impact homes, small businesses, schools, and factories every day. So the question is, how do we make clean energy more reliable, more efficient, and more accessible to everyone? This is exactly the gap Ezinore is solving, an energy tech startup based out of India, building intelligent battery energy storage systems that are plug-and-play, solar-ready, and scalable. From residential 10 kilowatt-hour units to extended modular packs up to 100 kilowatt-hour, their systems combine smart monitoring, sleek design, and reliable backup power, all without needing a complex solar setup. At ELECRAMA, I caught up with one of the Ezinore's co-founders to understand what makes their solution stand out in a crowded market. Let's hear the story behind the innovation. We have with us today Mr. Sameer. He is heading the startup Ezinore. Let's explore how his company and his products and solutions are transforming the industries. Hi Sameer.
Hi.
Thank you for your time.
Much appreciated. I'm the co-founder of Ezinore Private Limited. We started the company back in 2022 August when my founder Nirmal Yadav was the one who started the idea.
Right.
In the past 2 years, we have acquired all the grants currently in India. We started back in second year of college.
And you're still in the DTU right now?
Yeah, all our team members right now currently in fourth year of our college. The final semester is there.
Yeah.
We have started our sales as well.
You're still in engineering college and you are creating something that would really add value to the country's ecosystem. How is the experience so far?
So basically, I think that's the only purpose of engineering in anywhere, because engineering is done to make new solutions and solutions for the problem which are currently present. People get too much in their technicality but don't want to follow the passion for it.
Yeah.
So we did it. We have launched our product. We have done our sales.
I just want to understand what innovations you have brought in ELECRAMA this year.
When lithium-ions first came to India, everyone was moving into EV.
Right.
Like they wanted to make EV cars, EV bikes, everything.
Right.
But the main focused use of lithium-ion cells currently, as you can see, is storage, solid state. We studied everything.
Right.
And from now, the product we launched was a hybrid inverter model.
Right.
With the storing capacity of 215 kilowatt hour. This is a mega pack.
Okay.
And maximum output of 100 kilowatt. We have the basic standard model which we were starting.
Right.
Had a storage capacity of lithium batteries with a 10 kilowatt hour model.
Right.
With a hybrid solar inverter installed of 5 kilowatt.
Mm-hmm.
So along with that, we give real-time monitoring, increasing capacity by switching them into parallel.
Right.
And for this mega pack, what we have is a diesel generator.
If I, just to demystify what mega pack is basically.
In India, currently, the power backup for industry, school, colleges, warehouses, hospitals are still done by diesel generator. So we have to move towards the renewable. So as India has a goal to achieve 500 gigawatt energy from solar by the end of 2030.
Right.
We are still around 200 they have reached. With the leading pioneer Maharashtra, Gujarat, UP are the leading pioneer.
Right.
And diesel generators have been banned in Delhi now.
Right.
So to fulfill their requirement, we have launched our Mega Pack, which has a capacity of 215 kilowatt hour.
Okay.
The maximum output 100 kilowatt.
Right.
The main functionality is you can increase the capacity up to megawatt by connecting these unit in parallel.
Okay.
So let's say if you get a diesel cost of 35 rupees per unit, when you are using it with solar integration, you get around 7 to 12 rupees per unit with a reduced CO2 emissions, reduced carbon footprint and increased savings.
Yeah.
That's how we are moving. We also give cloud monitoring, cloud data and everything.
So how does your products or solutions reflect the latest trends?
So as you know, for the past a decade or 15 years, everyone has been using lead acid batteries.
Correct.
And they're using a UPS.
Right.
So the problem with lead acid batteries is their recyclability,
Right.
their usability,
Right.
their SOH values decreases by
Right.
consumption, and people have to invest around 1 to 2 lakh rupees if they have a major unit
Right.
each couple of years.
Right.
So that is not a sustainable solution, and recycling of lead acid batteries are also tougher.
Huh.
So how we follow a circular economy is, since lithium-ion batteries we give around 6,000 cycles per cell, so
Right.
you have a 10 years of life, no maintenance, nothing,
Right.
and you have integrated inverters as well.
Right.
So you don't have to go, 2 to 3 directions. Like they have to bring a battery, then have to UPS to get it connected with the batteries. So we are eradicating that. Along
Correct.
with that, once how we move model is, let's say you have lead acid batteries in your. So we have in partnership with big companies such as Recycle.
Okay.
They're a Bangalore-based unicorn company, I guess.
Right.
So I come to you. You uphold our solutions. We install solar plant, everything.
Right.
Your lead acid batteries will be taken by us to the recycle firm, where they recycle also. So
Yeah.
that's how we are doing the CO2 emission reduction in twofold.
Oh,
We are
wonderful.
giving our solution, and we are taking the pre-exist solution,
Right.
reducing your cost and recycling that. That's how we move it.
Sameer, it's really interesting. Many engineering students, aspiring engineers, are still in a state where they are, not clear about what to do after engineering.
Yeah.
Do you have any specific, suggestions that you would want to share with the aspiring engineers
So-
of today?
The question you asked is a very great question, because in India there's a mentality, you do engineering first, you go into engineering, then you will figure out what we want to do.
Right, yeah.
So it was in my mind also, because engineering makes you tough, especially from our background, our team, we are mechanical engineers.
Right.
And we are molded in such a way that we can do anything. If
Right.
you go, people are getting to be IS officers, biggest managers, everything.
Right.
So what I suggest to people is just take your time, because everything is moving so fast.
Yeah.
Everyone wants to be the next big thing.
Right.
Take your time, learn what you have to do, and for engineering perspective,
Yeah.
people have a mentality that mechanical is a depleting branch.
Yeah.
But what I suggest, mechanical has the most opportunities in the future. Renewable is in the mechanical sector.
Right.
Steam engines, everything is in mechanical system. Solar is in mechanical. You have automation and robotics in mechanical. So you have multiple opportunities.
Right.
You just have to pick one what suits you,
Absolutely.
and you have to go forward with it.
I mean, you're an inspiration, and I'm sure, Ezinore
Yeah.
would do great in near future.
Yeah, that's our
And,
plan.
and Sameer, it was wonderful speaking to you.
Same as
Thank
well.
you so much for your time.
Thank
A great day. Thank you so much.
Thank you.